Have you ever thought about making money just by watching YouTube videos? It might sound too good to be true, but there's a growing trend that allows you to earn cash with little or no investment. YouTube has become a platform not only for creators but also for viewers who want to monetize their time spent watching content. With various apps and websites offering rewards for watching videos, this opportunity is more accessible than ever. What's exciting about this venture is that it's open to everyone, regardless of age or background. You don't need any special skills or prior experience to get started. All you need is a device with internet access and a passion for watching videos. Engaging with content can be both fun and rewarding. Imagine enjoying your favorite genres, be it cooking, gaming, or travel, while also earning some extra cash on the side. It's a win-win situation. Plus, you can explore new channels and discover hidden gems in the vast world of YouTube. So if you're ready to turn your screen time into a money-making opportunity, stick around as we dive deeper into how you can start earning today. Let's start by understanding YouTube monetization. YouTube monetization is a powerful way for creators to earn money from their content, and it primarily revolves around the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. To join this program, creators must meet specific requirements, including having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. If you're a creator, focus on producing consistent, high-quality content to reach these milestones. Regularly analyze your video performance using YouTube Analytics to understand what's working and where you can improve. Once accepted into the YPP, you can start earning through various channels. Media, YouTube Partner Program welcome screen, creator celebrating YPP acceptance. Ad revenue, enable ads on your videos by going to your YouTube studio, selecting monetization, and choosing the ad formats that suit your content. Remember to create content that complies with YouTube's ad-friendly guidelines to maximize your earnings. Sponsorships, start by reaching out to brands that align with your content. Use platforms like FameBit or Grapevine to connect with potential sponsors or craft a media kit to showcase your audience and engagement metrics. Affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs related to your content. Place affiliate links in your video descriptions and make sure to disclose your affiliate relationships to stay transparent with your audience. Tools like Bitly can help you track the performance of your affiliate links. Now let's talk about how you as a viewer can earn money. If you're looking to earn some extra cash while enjoying your favorite YouTube videos, reward apps are a fantastic option. Popular platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and MyPoints allow users to earn money simply by watching videos, including YouTube content. Here's how to get started. Sign up, visit the websites, or download the apps from the App Store or Google Play Store. Signing up is free and takes just a few minutes. Watch videos. Once you're signed in, head to the videos section. You can choose from various categories depending on your interests. Keep in mind that some videos might require you to watch them fully or interact with ads to earn rewards. Earn points, cash. Each video you watch or task you complete will earn you points or cash. Accumulate these points, and once you reach a certain threshold, you can redeem them for gift cards or direct cash payments via PayPal. Set daily goals. To maximize your earnings, set a daily goal for how many videos you will watch or tasks you'll complete. This consistency can add up over time. Did you know that you can earn money by sharing your opinions on YouTube content? Participating in surveys is a great way to monetize your viewing experience, and platforms like Survey Junkie, Vindale Research, and Toluna make it easy to get started. Here's how you can begin. Sign up. Visit the websites or download the apps and create an account. Provide honest information about your demographics to receive relevant surveys. Complete surveys. You'll receive invitations to complete surveys based on your YouTube viewing habits. These typically take just a few minutes. Some platforms may even offer surveys that ask for feedback on specific YouTube channels or videos. Earn rewards. Each survey completed will earn you points or cash. Survey Junkie, for example, allows you to cash out once you reach $10 either through PayPal or gift cards. Schedule your time. Dedicate a specific time each day or week to complete surveys. This helps you stay consistent and boosts your earnings. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic opportunity to explore. Many content creators promote products through affiliate programs, and viewers can leverage these programs to earn commissions by referring others. Here's how to get started. Join affiliate programs. Start by joining affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Sign up is straightforward and you'll have access to a wide range of products to promote. Share your links. Watch YouTube videos that feature products you're interested in. Share your affiliate links with friends, family, or on your social media platforms. Tools like Canva can help you create engaging social media posts to promote these products. Track your performance. Use analytics provided by the affiliate network to track which links are performing well. This will help you refine your strategy and maximize your commissions. Engage with communities. Join online forums or groups related to your affiliate products. Share your experiences and recommendations, along with your affiliate links, to reach a broader audience. Have you ever considered starting your own YouTube channel? Creating your own content is not only a fun and creative outlet, but it also offers the potential to earn money with minimal investment. Here's how to start. Choose your niche. Focus on a specific topic that you're passionate about. Whether it's cooking, gaming, travel, or DIY projects, picking a niche helps attract a dedicated audience. Set up your channel, create a YouTube account, and set up your channel with a unique name, logo, and banner. Use tools like Canva for designing professional-looking channel art. Create content. Start with the basics. You can film with your smartphone and use free editing software like iMovie or DaVinci Resolve to polish your videos. Aim for consistent uploads to keep your audience engaged. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and interact with viewers to build a loyal community. Consider using a content calendar to plan and schedule your uploads in advance. Monetize your channel. Once you've built a steady audience, explore monetization options like ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even merchandise sales. In this video, we explored several exciting ways to make money while enjoying YouTube content. From using reward apps like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars to participating in surveys and reviews, there are numerous opportunities to earn cash with minimal effort. We also discussed the potential of affiliate marketing, where you can promote products you love and earn commissions through referrals. Additionally, we encouraged you to consider creating your own YouTube channel, allowing you to share your unique perspective and monetize your content. The key takeaway is that there are various methods available for anyone looking to turn their YouTube viewing into a source of income. However, the most important step is to take action. Whether you choose to sign up for reward apps, participate in surveys, or start your own channel, exploring these opportunities can lead to rewarding experiences. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might also be interested in making money while watching YouTube. Your engagement helps us create more informative videos, and we appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.